Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on announce call feature on your iPhone. So the announce call feature allows the phone to announce when someone is calling by their contact name or the number that's calling you. So in order to turn it on the latest iOS version, you're going to go into your setting of your iPhone. So you go into your setting of your iPhone, scroll down until you find the phone setting here. So you can click on phone. And once you click on it, you'll see the option for announce calls. Now, if you click on it, by default, it's going to be headphones only, which means whenever you're connected to a headphone like an AirPod or any other headphones, it will announce your call on your headphones. Now, you can change it to headphones and car, so whenever you're connected to a car or a headphone, it'll announce the call. Finally, when you select always on, which means that it will announce the call anytime, whether you're on a headphone or not, even without a headphone, it'll announce again the caller name if they're in your contact or the number that's calling you so that you can hear who the phone call is coming from. So that's how you turn on announce call on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.